Hello, Word. Welcome back to another episode. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you join me as we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. Today's word is casual, a B2 level adjective meaning informal or relaxed. When we say something is casual, we mean it's not formal, stiff, or overly serious. Think of it as comfortable and easygoing. You might wear casual clothes to a weekend barbecue or have a casual conversation with a friend. So, casual signifies a lack of formality. Now, let's explore some synonyms for casual. One synonym is informal. You could say, the office dress code is informal, meaning employees are not expected to wear suits or formal attire. Another synonym is relaxed. For example, the atmosphere at the party was very relaxed, and everyone seemed to be enjoying themselves. We also have easygoing. He has an easygoing personality, making him a pleasure to be around. Then there's laid back. They prefer a laid-back approach to problem solving. Lastly, consider unchallenging. She prefers unchallenging work, since she is just working for a while to make some quick cash. Let's put these synonyms in some sentences. Instead of saying it was a casual meeting, we could say it was an informal meeting. Instead of she wore a casual outfit, we could say she wore a relaxed outfit. Instead of he has a casual attitude towards life, we could say he has an easygoing attitude towards life. The use of these synonyms adds variety to your language and helps you express the same idea in different ways. Now, let's dive into the antonyms of casual. These are words that have the opposite meaning of casual. The primary antonym is formal. Think of a formal event like a black tie gala, where everyone is dressed in elegant attire and the atmosphere is very structured. Another antonym is ceremonial. For example, a ceremonial opening of a building is formal. We can also use stiff. His stiff behavior made her uncomfortable. We could also use structured. She likes structured work. She hates that she does not know what her task for tomorrow would be. Lastly, consider uptight. He always seemed so uptight, and it was hard to get along with him. Let's see how these antonyms work in sentences. Instead of saying it was a casual affair, we could say it was a formal affair. Instead of he has a casual approach, we could say he has a structured approach. Now, how can you use the word casual in everyday life? Well, it's quite versatile. You can talk about casual wear, meaning comfortable clothes that you wear in your free time. You can also talk about a casual acquaintance, someone you know but not very well. You might say, I met him through a casual encounter at a conference. You might describe a job as casual, meaning it's temporary or part-time. For example, I'm just working a casual job over the summer. Here are some usage examples in sentences and phrases. She prefers casual Fridays at work, where everyone can dress down. They had a casual lunch together to catch up. It was just a casual remark. I didn't mean to offend anyone. He gave a casual shrug, indicating he didn't know the answer. Let's keep the meeting casual and informal. The restaurant has a casual atmosphere, perfect for families. I'm just looking for a casual relationship, nothing serious. She has a casual style of writing that's easy to read. The event was designed to be casual and fun for all attendees. He made a casual observation about the weather. So, to summarize, casual means informal or relaxed. Synonyms include informal, relaxed, easygoing, laid back, and unchallenging. Antonyms include formal, ceremonial, stiff, structured, and uptight. You can use casual to describe clothing, relationships, conversations, and many other aspects of daily life. It's a word that emphasizes comfort, informality, and a lack of strictness. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. I hope you found this episode helpful and informative. Remember to subscribe to our podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show and improve their English vocabulary. Now, here is a challenge. Create your own sentence using the word casual and share it as a comment below. I can't wait to read what you come up with. Happy learning!